So now we'll talk about variables. Variables are similar to containers because containers store things, food like biscuits, chocolates, color pencils, pens. They store almost everything that we need. In a similar way, variables store numbers, sentences, words, everything. So variables can be named anything like fruits, names, numbers, anything like in max you studied x, y, z. Anything is a variable: a, b, c, x, y, h, I, j, everything. So you can keep any name for your variable. Now I'll keep num. Okay, num. Then you have to type equal, because in max you assign a number or send a number to a variable. So it's similar to that. So num equals to, will assign 14. So this num is a container and this 14 is a biscuit. Okay, so I'm placing this 14 inside this num. So whenever I need 14, I should print num. So now I need to print 14. Instead of that, I can use print and num. Okay, now if we run this program, we get 14. Okay, this is a variable. The num is a variable. It can also store an sentence. For example, we'll delete this 14. If keep this in mind. Okay, if you're writing a number, we have to write just like that, 14. Okay, if you're writing a sentence, you have to write within the double quotes. Okay, I'll teach you this in detail in the upcoming courses. Okay, so num equals to, we'll type subscribe to my channel. Okay, then we'll print this, print num. Okay, then if we run this program, see here, subscribe to my channel. So this is none other than variables. So you can give any name for a variable, not only num. You can give name, name equals to Revant or anything. Okay, then you can give age. You can type something random like this. Even this is also a variable.